to find and determine who you are. Not what everybody else wants you to be, not what is on social media, not what you're trying to be like. You are wired and uniquely designed to achieve something great, but you got to get in your lane. Everybody say, my lane. Each and every one of you are uniquely designed to do something great and significant. Some of you are athletically gifted. Some of you are gifted in math, in reading, in writing. That's your lane. So I encourage you to get in your lane, stay in your lane, and don't let anybody deter you or talk you into going in another direction. We live in a world of fear. We live in a world of doubt. And we tell ourselves that nobody's going to hurt us. I'm not going to put myself in a situation where I could fail or to be rejected. But fear is false evidence appearing real. I'm going to say it again. Fear is false evidence appearing real. I had a vision. Everybody say vision. When you get a vision and you believe in something, you got a dream, I encourage you to write it down. Write the vision and make it plain. Write the vision down. Write the dream that you see. Put it in the notes in your phone. Visit it daily. Meditate on that thing. Go to sleep looking at that vision and that dream.